Hi guys, welcome to the video. My name is CA Varshith Gowda and I am here to make your accounts a little bit easier. Yes, so today I am here to review your September 2025 CA Foundation accounts paper. So, without any further ado, let's start. Okay. Now, in my opinion, the paper was medium and lengthy. Yes. Yeah, there were one or two new questions which I saw. But what I would like to say is, it was not entirely digressed. Okay, it was within our concepts what we had learned only. But yeah, maybe those questions were not from the existing resources, maybe. But yeah, still, uh, if you have understood your concepts well, then I think you will be able to answer those questions. So without further ado, let's discuss it one by one. Okay, so that we'll have clarity. So coming to the first question, right? True or false? I think this time true or false was crazy. All true or false were from existing resources only. There was nothing new, and it was very simple also. Even if you apply your mind, I think you are able to, answer true or false. So I think this time true or false, 12 marks should be in your pocket, in my opinion. 100%, no doubt. Then, again, most of the students they ignore theory. Okay, this time we have got one theory question for 4 marks which asks about valuation principles. Such a simple question. Guys, this was about that historical cost, realizable cost, current cost, present value cost, all that we had learned. No, exactly that 4 things you are supposed to write here and 4 marks in your pocket. Remember, in our class we had discussed, I had taken example of Suzuki Axis 125, my Suzuki Axis 125. So remember, again, 4 marks easily in your pocket. Again, they've asked you purchase book for 4 marks. Again, easy 4 marks in the pocket. All the credit transactions will come, except this furniture, because furniture is a capital asset. Purchase of capital asset will not come in the purchase book. Anything you purchase for the purpose of reselling, only those items will come, and whatever is purchased in credit, only that will come to your purchase book, others will not come. So again, same easy question, pocketed easily, 4 marks into the pocket. Yes. And next comes second, 2A, that is about your depreciation. In this question, see, it is nothing new. We have covered these questions before also. Only thing is here, the depreciation method they had asked was sum of digits method. We know how to calculate sum of digits method depreciation. And they've also tested change in accounting estimates where useful life is changed. Again, you have to do your prospective accounting. I think, again, the approach and accounting is very simple. I think this question would have been a little lengthy, maybe a little new question, but again, same thing. We know how to calculate depreciation in sum of years digits method. We know how to account for change in estimates. Both things you have to apply together in this question. That is all the catches. But both individually, however, we knew. So I think this is again a medium type question. Maybe it would have taken more time for you to solve. I think it was a little lengthy. Then comes 2B again, pass the journal entries to record or rectify. For the below mentioned, you have to either record these transactions because they are not recorded or rectify. Again, I feel out of 12 marks, all those adjustments after seeing, you should be good with your GST entries. They have tested your GST entries very well in this question. And except that, I think out of 12 marks, I think 9 to 10 marks you should have put to your pocket, because I think all the other entries also was simple only in my opinion. Everything is what we have already discussed only, nothing new. It is what we have already discussed as part of our questions. So I think here minimum 9 to 10 marks you should have got into your pocket. So that was about your 2B. Then we have 3A. So I've got the paper just now, it is all jumbled. So 3A, again for 3A, we had final accounts. See, most of the students will ignore final account saying that's all, it is very big, we have to tally balance sheet and all. This is the one question that has come so simply, repeated question. We have also solved it as part of our study material or during solving RTP. So again, it's a very simple question, no extra things. So people who would have ignored final accounts, Pakka they would have regretted. Easy 12 marks if you have done your final accounts well, because it is a repeated question. We have also solved this before. Okay. So then comes 3B. So 3B. So 3B was what? 3B is the question that I would like to talk about. What a crazy question, man. 100% you would have not seen this question before, and I think the moment that you would have read this question, no, I think one, two times, three times, tale tirigirate anta ನನಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂತಂದ್ರೆ crazy question. Again, guys, when you read this question, I am sure students would have got scared. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇಂಥದ್ದೇನೋ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಮುಂಚೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. But again, guys, if you're strong with your concepts, this is where it helps, because it is nothing. It is what we have always done, guys. We have a separate video that I have made on YouTube, how to calculate sacrifice ratio, gain ratio, and how to divide the goodwill. What has happened is, in all our problems that we have done in the class and all, we have done it for once or twice maximum. Here, instead of asking it once or twice, they've asked it 3 or 4 times. Okay, first A came, B came, C came, D came. Each time they have asked the gain ratio, sacrifice ratio, and allocation of goodwill. That's all. Same thing, it is what you have already done, but maybe after reading the question, you do 2 times, 3 times, 4 times and all, admission retirement has happened. There's something else. There are chances that students, getting scared, but it is already same thing what we have learned. But yeah, I understand. Those who are not able to do it, I understand. It is a little tricky. Okay, even here something has happened. Akade ikade. It's okay. But those who have done this question, no, crazy, awesome. So I've tried to solve this paper also, but I'll come with a suggested answer video later. If you want it, if you really want it, now only, immediately, then please comment it down. I will definitely do it immediately and I'll put it. But in my opinion, please focus on your law exam next. That is very important. This is okay. Now whatever has happened, jo ho gaya so ho gaya, ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಯ್ತು, ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲೂ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಈ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲೂ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪೆಂಡ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೀವ್ ಇಟ್. ನೌ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ law. Score well, do well in law. So that was about your, I think 3B. In my opinion, it's my favorite question. Okay, again, calculating sacrifice gain ratio only, but 4 times. That's all. We have done it 1 or twice. Here 4 times. So that was a new thing, but okay. If you are not able to do it, still okay, because it's a new question. We have not covered it before. Next we have 4A, 4B. So 4A, we had 4A question about partnership. Again, it's a simple partnership question on admission, no extra adjustments. It is same what we have done exactly. Okay, same partnership, no other extra things. So again, those who would have left partnership account saying that it is big and all, they'll ask big questions. Again, you would have suffered, because if you have normally done our partnership accounts, I think you'll be able to manage, because no new adjustments, everything repetitive only, what we have done in the class. Where is B? 4B. I think it's somewhere here. See, same thing, no new adjustment. Also, in the end, they have told you are supposed to open memorandum revaluation account, because they don't want changes in the value of assets and liabilities. They want it to be same. So what we'll do? We'll do memorandum revaluation account. So I hope you have done that. And rest all same, nothing new, guys, same. Those who have done solved our questions in the class, or whatever is there in our study material, I think you would have managed. Again, I think if you have prepared well, easy, 12 marks, I guess. It's for 12 marks, no? It was for, it was for 12 marks. Again, easy, 12 marks, because no new adjustments in my opinion. Next we have 4B. So where is 4B? 4B. I think it was income, this thing. This one only 4B, no? Your non-profit organization. Again, non-profit organization, no new adjustment. Okay, They have given match fund and all. You are supposed to do fund accounting. Expenses over and above fund accounting will go to income and expenditure account. Same exact problem we had. One separate problem. That is one new thing here. Rest all is same thing. What we have solved before. I don't see anything new at all here. So same thing. Those who have done NPO normally, same adjustments, no new things. I think you'll be able to manage. 8 marks in the pocket in my analysis. Fifth one, 5E. 5A, and yeah, BRS here we were supposed to prepare BRS along with adjusted cash book. Again, no new adjustment, all the adjustments what we have previously covered in our classes. So those who have done your BRS well, same adjustment, I don't think anything new here. So you should be able to solve it. 5 marks in the pocket. Then 5A1, there's one more option, 2, right? So yeah, 2 we had questions from bill of exchange. Okay, again same thing, they have tested your renewal of bills and that insolvency case, same thing. We have done these problems many times. It is also covered in our study material also. So I think those who have done bills of exchange well, easy, 5 marks. Then after that, what do we have? Then we have 5B. Okay. Then we have 5B. Is 5B. 5B, I think we had your manufacturing account. Guys, 5B. 5B is your manufacturing account. Again, simple, easy 5 marks manufacturing account, nothing new. I think one biscuit they have tried to put here. They have directly given raw material consumed, which you have to directly consider in your manufacturing account. Again, no need to do anything with closing inventory. You will again subtract it. No, if you had purchased it, then subtract closing inventory to find out raw material consumed. Here in this question, they have directly given raw material consumed. Take 32 lakhs directly in your manufacturing account. Rest all, again, same thing, no difficult stuff, same. These kinds of questions is also there in our study material. Again, in my opinion, this 5 marks pocket. Then we have 5C. What is 5C? What is this 5C? Oh, okay. 5Cs are redemption of preference shares. Again, redemptions of preference shares. Again, it's a pretty simple chapter also. Even if I see the question, I don't see anything new, any new adjustment. Same thing. If you have solved R, redemption of preference shares questions, I think you'll be able to solve it. There is nothing new. Same thing. Redeem, sell the investments, redeem the preference shares. You have made issue of equity shares for the purpose of redemption. Then once you issue equity shares, then do redemption. Then also take care of CRR requirement in the end. Same question, same drill. Nothing new about it here also. So I think this 10 marks you should be in the position to put in the pocket. I don't think there is anything new here in my opinion. So yeah, I think you should be able to manage this 10 marks. I think in your pocket. Then we have 6A. 6A we had question on forfeiture here only. Again, this forfeiture, same thing. We have covered these kind of questions in our company accounts. No new adjustment. We are doing pro rata allotment. Okay, there is one guy. Where is 6B? There is one guy. Okay, N, to whom 6,000 shares has been allotted. He has paid to forget the calls. 6,000 is what is allotted. You have to see how much he has applied. Okay, you have to consider all that. Similar question we have done. I think numbers is a little different, but similar question. 100% we have solved it from our material. 100% we have this question. So again, in my opinion, if you have prepared well, this question in your pocket. Finally, in 6B, we had one inventory question. Same thing again here also. There is nothing new in this question if you have to say. They have given all the information. From the given information, normally you keep the sales also like that only. Normally you find out gross profit, because gross profit percentage is given in the end. You'll automatically get closing stock. But because of adjusted number 1, where they have told Oh, again, there is some abnormal item. Same question is, you have done this, there is one abnormal item, you'll remove the abnormal item and then find out gross profit, then consequently find out your closing stock. And in point 2, they have told it includes your goods sent on approval. Okay. See what has happened there. If you go to that part, that was the same thing we have done. See, on 15th March we have sent goods on approval, and 10th April we have got the approval. That means as on 31st March 2025 we have not got the approval. That means I should not consider it in sales. So please, it is already considered, included in above sales. So please remove it from the sales and please add it in closing inventory. Okay. But if you want me to solve this problem or give suggested answer to this entire question paper, I am ready to do it. Just tell me in the comment section. I hope you understood. Now no need to worry, even if anything has happened, whatever happened has happened. Please focus on your next exam, which is law. Okay, please focus on that. Try to score well. Jo ho gaya, so ho gaya, that has happened. Now enough, done. We are done with accounts outside of your brain. Now focus on your law. So that's about the review. Okay, if you want a detailed suggested answer, of course I'll come up with that. Please comment down. If you want that suggested answer, I will definitely do it. So all the best for your next paper, that is law, and all other next paper that is coming ahead. All the best to you. Do well. And if you have liked the content, please ensure that you like the channel, subscribe the channel, and show some love in the comment section. Bye guys. See you in the next video. Bye.